If you're in the market for a kit car that's fun to drive, reliable and affordable, which you can legally use on the road but also race on the track, then a MEV Exocet is a brilliant option, as these simplistic, modern, well-balanced, lightweight sports cars offer a lot of excitement, and we should know. Because at MEV Kit Cars, we enthusiastically design, manufacture and sell these tremendous machines for a living. So in this video, we want to passionately elaborate on why these Exocets are one of the most popular, low-cost and easy-to-build kit cars
in the world. In the world! In the world. In the world. In the world.
I'm Stewart from MEV, and let's get into this. When putting together a MEV Exocet, it can be converted from either a Mazda MX-5 or an RX-8 donor vehicle. But in our opinion, if you're looking for the most cost-effective option out there when assembling one of our kit cars, then an MX-5 is the way to go. Whether you're using a Mark 1, 2 or 3, every model donor from 1989 to 2015 will offer you modern engineering, excellent handling, a reliable engine, all-round disc brakes, precise steering, a short shift gearbox and an array of useful components that you can easily transfer into your own bespoke Exocet builds. Furthermore, it's possible to source and get one of these donor vehicles for quite a reasonable price these days, because Mazda sold over 1 million worldwide, so there are plenty of them on the market in a variety of conditions. And surprisingly, you can actually recoup a nice chunk of the money that you've already spent on one, since these cars are worth a lot more in parts than they are complete, which is a real advantage when you're working to a budget, as by selling on the surplus stuff that you don't need, it's going to significantly reduce the final cost of your build. Now, after you've gone through this process of stripping down the car and removing its body shell, you'll be left with a rolling chassis, known as the skate, and all of those retained donor parts that you're then going to repurpose and marry to one of our tailor-made car kits, which will give you the exoskeletal chassis, components, bodywork and guide to fully assemble your very own Exocet. And believe me, you're not going to be disappointed with the final product. These front-engined, rear-wheel drive, well-balanced kit cars are literally 50% lighter than their donor vehicle. So please don't worry about the performance you're going to get from the much older or less powerful Mazda engines. Because when an Exocet weighs under 600 kilos, its power to weight ratio is practically doubled, which can result in a 0 to 60 time of around 4 seconds and a possible top speed of 140. So these kit cars are absolute weapons on the road and track. But might I add, they're also incredibly fun to drive! This is all because of Mazda's brilliant suspension setup, which makes them handle like a dream. And when you partner that with one of our bespoke tubular chassis that only complements all of the other components in the car, you're guaranteed to have a lot of fun with it on the road or track. Finally, Exocets provide you with a great platform to create a vehicle that is truly unique. Adding your own choice of colour, wheels and style is only the start, because you can freely tune, modify and customise them however you like. And some of the final builds we've seen from our community of builders are just awesome. There's seriously no better feeling than driving your own creation. And at MEV, we've designed a perfect kit so you can easily do this. And currently, we've sold over 2,000 of these kits worldwide to both new and experienced builders, who you can interact with on our owners forum and MEV social pages, where people are actively sharing their progress, getting advice, discussing ideas and finding useful pieces of information. Plus, if there's anything you'd like to know about buying, building or owning an Exocet, then please do get in touch with us directly, because we're always here to answer questions, check your work and offer useful solutions. For instance, if you're currently sitting on an unfinished project or you just don't fancy going through this process of building the kit car yourself, then MEV's got you covered, as we can fully assemble these Exocets for you and construct them to the specifications that you want. Additionally, if you'd just like to purchase something outright that you can drive straight away, then we do also have an array of pre-built models for sale, which you can also modify at a later date. And you could even get those upgrades from our online shop. So we've basically got a kit car solution for everyone. Anyway, I do hope that you've found this basic run through of our MEV Exocets and services useful in some way. We literally live and breathe by these incredible machines, and we're immensely proud that we've been able to cram all of our excitement for them into these kits, so you can easily build and own one of these cars for a very reasonable price. Now, if you'd like to see and learn more, then please drop us a question in the comments section, check out our channel for content, hit the subscribe, leave a like and follow our links to the MEV Kit Car website, where you can find loads more info on everything I've talked about. See you next time.